Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews, news, and in-depth videos on all things motorcycles. For all our returning subscribers, thanks for your support. We've got a lot of exciting stuff lined up today. Now, today we're going to dive deep into one of the most anticipated motorcycles in the industry, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. We've seen iterations of this beast since its debut, but the 2026 version promises some mind-blowing upgrades and features that you'll want to know about, especially if you're a fan of speed, innovation, and Kawasaki's engineering mastery. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Before we talk about the latest iteration of the H2R, let's quickly revisit what made the Ninja H2R such an iconic machine. Released in 2015, the Ninja H2R redefined what it meant to ride a hyperbike. Kawasaki took the bold step of creating a track-only bike with a supercharged engine, pushing the limits of speed and performance. Each version of the H2R since has refined the formula, offering more power, more technology, and more thrills. The 2026 Ninja H2R continues this legacy, building on a decade of insane innovation. With that said, let's jump into the specifics of what the 2026 model brings to the table. Let's kick things off by discussing the design and build of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Kawasaki has always been known for bold designs, and the 2026 H2R is no exception. The first thing you'll notice when you look at the 2026 model is its futuristic, angular bodywork. The front fascia is sharper than ever before, with an aggressive look that gives it an almost predatory stance on the road or track. Kawasaki has paid attention to aerodynamics with an advanced wind tunnel design, optimizing airflow for both performance and stability at high speeds. The new aerodynamic fairings and larger carbon fiber accents help the bike cut through the air with minimal drag. The H2R's carbon fiber is more extensive than ever, not just in the fairing but throughout the entire frame, making the bike lighter and more responsive than its predecessors. We also see improvements in the rear end of the bike, with a more streamlined tail section that balances the aggressive front end. The rear tail light is sleek and integrated into the design, maintaining the Ninja H2R's futuristic aesthetic. The addition of more exposed mechanical components gives it a race-ready look. You can see the intricate details of the H2R's mechanical setup, and it almost feels like you're looking at a machine that was designed for one thing only: speed. Now, we know why you're really here: the power. Let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is powered by the same supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine that has become legendary in the world of performance motorcycles. But what makes the 2026 model different? First off, Kawasaki has pushed the supercharger system to new heights. The 2026 H2R now makes an astonishing 350 horsepower, an increase over the 310 horsepower found in previous models. Yes, you heard that right, 350 horsepower. That's the kind of power that not only delivers jaw-dropping acceleration, but also enables top speeds that most other motorcycles can only dream of reaching. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine management system to ensure smoother throttle response and more precise handling of power delivery. The supercharger has been redesigned for better efficiency and heat dissipation, ensuring that the H2R remains cool under pressure, even when pushed to the limit on the track. Additionally, the engine is paired with an advanced transmission system designed for high-performance gear shifts. The 2026 H2R is equipped with an updated quickshifter and a more refined slipper clutch, allowing for smooth shifts without losing momentum. Whether you're tackling corners or going full throttle, the H2R is built to handle it. Now, let's talk about the tech that backs up all that raw power. The 2026 Ninja H2R comes with a whole new suite of advanced electronics and rider aids to make the bike not only faster but safer to handle at extreme speeds. One of the biggest improvements is the integration of a new IMU inertial measurement unit. This advanced system continuously monitors the bike's lean angle, speed, and other crucial data to ensure optimal performance. This data feeds into the bike's traction control system, ABS, and power modes, allowing the rider to have full control over the bike, even in tricky conditions. Speaking of traction control, the 2026 H2R features an updated system that offers multiple levels of intervention, allowing riders to fine-tune the level of assistance based on track conditions or personal preference. Whether you're in a full-throttle straight line or powering through a corner, the traction control ensures that you stay in control. The H2R also comes with an all-new electronic suspension system that adapts to changing track conditions. With fully adjustable front and rear suspension, riders can fine-tune their setup to achieve the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Perhaps the most exciting new feature is the addition of an advanced TFT display that offers a wealth of information at your fingertips. You can track performance data in real time, including lap times, speed, power output, and even weather conditions. Plus, there's smartphone integration, so you can link your phone to the bike and access real-time diagnostics and performance stats through an app. When it comes to handling, the 2026 H2R doesn't disappoint. The frame is crafted from high-strength, lightweight materials, and the overall geometry of the bike is designed to provide razor-sharp handling at any speed. This makes the H2R not only a straight-line monster, but also incredibly agile when it comes to cornering. The chassis has been redesigned with track performance in mind, allowing the bike to maintain stability even at extreme lean angles. The lightweight carbon fiber components help with both handling and overall performance, giving the rider a more direct connection to the road or track. The H2R also comes with a completely updated braking system, featuring larger carbon brake discs and advanced Brembo calipers. This gives the bike incredible stopping power, capable of bringing it to a halt from high speeds with ease. The bike's advanced electronics also work in tandem with the braking system to prevent wheel lockup, ensuring maximum stopping power in any condition. You might think that with all this performance, comfort might take a back seat. But Kawasaki has made sure that the 2026 Ninja H2R still offers a surprisingly comfortable riding experience for such a high-performance machine. The seat is more ergonomic than previous models, designed to keep the rider comfortable even during long stints on the track. While this is still a race-focused bike, Kawasaki has given thought to the ergonomics, ensuring the rider is in a position that allows for better control and comfort, especially during aggressive riding. So, with all this power and technology, you're probably wondering how much this bad boy is going to cost. As expected, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is not going to be cheap. You can expect the price tag to be in the ballpark of $80,000 and to $100,000, and, depending on the region and specific options. The 2026 H2R will be available in limited numbers, as Kawasaki keeps production to a minimum to maintain exclusivity. Expect the bike to be available mostly through select dealerships and specialized channels. To wrap things up, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a true marvel of engineering. It takes the legacy of the H2R to the next level, offering more power, more tech, and more precision than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned track rider or a fan of cutting-edge performance bikes, this motorcycle is one for the history books. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you'll be riding one of the most advanced, fastest, and most exclusive machines in the world. But even if you're just a fan, the 2026 H2R is sure to be an icon that will define the next generation of performance motorcycles. That's it for today's video on the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. What do you think about the new updates? Is this the bike of your dreams, or are you more into other performance machines? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our latest videos. We've got more exciting content coming your way soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.